All right. We are going to do an unboxing of some cheater glasses, what we call cheater glasses.
Yep. They are Przene readers, women's readers.
Okay.
And this is a 4-pack.
4-pack. All right.
Yep. So it comes with the cleaning cloth.
All right.
And I already have one undone because I've been wearing them.
Nice.
Yeah. So they're kind of trendy colors. These are 1.75 strength.
1.75. Okay.
Yep. Which is perfect for me. They are blue screen.
Yep.
I can't remember.
For computers.
Yeah. So
computers
it keeps your eyes. So I have 4 different colors. I have the black and gray now. And there's a brown pair.
Oh, nice.
These are kind of fun. I like that they're all packaged individually because they're not going to get scratched up. This is kind of a pink and gray. There's another pair.
Oh, nice.
And this one has a blue and brown print on it. So,
Very
again,
cool.
1.75, which is perfect for me.
Put those down.
It helps with the blue, the tint on this computer screens. I work on computer all day long. So, and I really like them.
They're cute.
Yeah.
So, would you give them a thumbs up?
Absolutely. 2 thumbs up. And I love the cleaning cloth.
Nice.